Welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowledge Base. In this case, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this case, I'm going to show you how we can sort out the problems of WhatsApp that has been banned. So what I would do, let's get into our browser, put in www.whatsapp.com, then click and go. Let's get into the WhatsApp. When you get into WhatsApp, you make sure you go down here and click on Contact Us. So when you contact us, we have WhatsApp Messenger support, we have WhatsApp Business support, we have WhatsApp Accessibility and Assistive Technology support, we have the WhatsApp Enterprise Solutions, and we have Privacy Policy Solutions questions. So in this case, we go back up here, we contact this WhatsApp Messenger support. So what do? You get in here, you start filling in this form. 818-984-1235. Okay, then you put your email. I'll put brian@gmail.com. I'll put the same. Make sure your emails are well connected at gmail.com. When you get here, they're asking you how do you use WhatsApp. Myself, I'm going to use iPhone. After we enter our message below, dear team, my WhatsApp was banned by mistake. Please help me fix this problem as soon as possible. Thanks. Then what you do here, you click on next. When we click on next, in this case, there are different articles here that you can go through, look into them to make sure that you don't get this problem again. There are several of them that I've put here to help you understand on how to use WhatsApp. So what happens after, when you do this, you click send question. So when you send question, then you're good to go. Something went wrong, please try again. Because here I have put in a wrong email and this is why it has not gone. And I've also used a wrong WhatsApp number because my WhatsApp doesn't have any challenges. So guys, do that. After, you don't need to click here, you just click on send question and you'll get an email notification in the right email that you have put in. And then make sure that your WhatsApp number is the right, correct WhatsApp number. Thank you so much, and please like and follow my channel, or in case of anything, please write below in the comments. I will be able to answer you, or I will be able to contact you and give you the right information. Thank you and have a good day.